What's going on, guys? How you feeling? How you doing? Welcome back to the video. You know what time it is. We're still out here in Mexico, Tulum, going crazy. We came here for dinner tonight. I'm here with the usual, my man Austin. Austin, how you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling fresh today, man.
Oh yeah, you know what time it is. Evening fresh. We out here with the drips. You know how we get down. We just ordered us some shots because it's Tuesday out here. So they got some Taco Tuesday deal going on. They also got some. They got some mojitos.
Tuesday in Mexico.
Taco Tuesday in Mexico, nothing better.
I thought that was only American.
Nothing beats that, dog. It's crazy. So we're gonna be out here. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be eating today. We have some drinks on the way. We have some appetizers on the way.
David ordered a churro for an appetizer.
Yes, I'm eating churros for
Dude,
appetizer.
he's a child, bro. He's a child.
I was gonna get ice cream, but it was between ice cream and churros. But I'd rather churros. You know what I mean? Because we had it before in America, and it was so good. So I'm like, you know what? I'm a churros fan now. You guys have me with that. So we're gonna be here. Once the drinks start rolling out, once the churros start rolling out, once the food starts rolling out, I'm gonna show you guys how we doing, how we feeling. We out here with it. Still empty table for now, but very soon it's gonna be filled up with food and obstacles and drinks. All right, guys, we got the starter pack over here.
Dude, look at this little.
I don't even know what that is. What is that? You gonna eat it?
No.
All right.
A little one too.
Oh, it's like it's probably like spice.
It's a pipe. It's a pepper.
Okay. So we got this two over here.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's try it, let's try it.
okay. Austin is giving a taste test. You know what time it is. How is it?
It's all right.
That's what you wanted. I got mine over here. I told him to add some tahini. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but let me try it. Let me show you guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna try this right now. Haven't had this before. It's supposed to be some passion fruit with some tahini. Let's see. Cheers. Ooh, that's good. Is that bootylicious? That's good. Bootylicious.
It's
At the
bootylicious
highest level.
approved. Diabolical.
Diabolical, baby. Oh yeah, I fuck with it. It's good stuff. We got the churros here. We're gonna try right now. Give it a taste test for you. Look at this. Put it in some chocolate. Gas. Literally gas. Good. Gas. Gas.
All right, yo. So we just ordered some bone marrow. This is the bone, and we're about to hook David up real quick. So if you look right here,
I've never had this before.
it slides off the bone. It's the inside of the bone, the liquid in it.
That's
then
crazy.
You put it in some taco.
That is crazy.
You scrape it. It has really high protein. It's really good for your body.
For your body, not mine.
For anti-aging.
Oh yeah?
For anti-aging. So David is about to try it right now.
You're gonna try it first.
I already tried. Dude, I ate that one.
Oh, you already ate it
This
all?
is the one I ate.
Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. We gotta try this. Austin has me trying this bone marrow, so we're gonna try it out and see what it's hitting for. Let's see.
What does it taste like?
No idea.
Bro.
I literally just taste the veggies in it. It's okay.
Try the other side. Try the other side. It has some meat.
Not what I would order.
All right, you guys. So this is like you go to a nice restaurant in Miami, you order some bone marrow, and it's like $100, and they like light a flame over the bone marrow and they drip it over your steak. And David just is just like, nah, it's not that good. It's not that good. You believe that shit? Look at David, bro. Look at David.
It's not that good, dog. You got some tacos over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a shit ton. How you feeling?
Yeah, I'm about to eat some chicken-looking ribeye.
I'm about to eat all this. We're about to go crazy tonight. It's gonna be a good night, baby. Let's go. We eating already. Shit is gas. Gas.
I'm about to fall asleep.
Guys, it is raining right now, and we're going crazy out here.
Turn right.
Turn right. Jesus Christ. It literally just started pouring once we left the restaurant. And rain beat the fuck out of us. Like literally, you guys can see, this is not sweat. This is rain This is rain. It's raining crazy right now, and the rain caught us right when we left. Damn. But it wasn't so bad though. Austin was the one that was beat up the most. But we back. We back to base right now, guys. Had so much food tonight, which was so good. Shout out to that restaurant. The tacos was bussin'. The churros was bussin', like you guys seen in the video. But yeah, we out here with it, guys. You see, it's still raining out here, going crazy, but we back. We back. Tuesday night, Tuesday evening. Just gonna rest for the rest of the night, sleep. You know, catch up. Me and you will probably chat, talk, map out some stuff for tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna get in with you guys tomorrow, man. That's probably what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. Just chill, chop it up. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so it's gonna be another beautiful day out here. Hopefully it doesn't rain this much. So I'll see you guys later. Let's go. Top of the morning, guys. You know what time it is. We are out and about again. Trying to go find some breakfast this morning. It's a beautiful day out. Sun is out. Might go to the pool later. Can't complain, guys. It's beautiful out here. Let's go. See you guys when we get to the restaurant. Woo! One thing about the pharmacies out here, they have everything you need. Like literally HGH, testosterone. They got the whole thing in broad daylight too. That's crazy. Something you never see in Miami. But we're going to go get some breakfast right now. Put some food in us and have some energy for the rest of the day. It's going to be beautiful out today. So we got a bunch of stuff lined up. We're supposed to go out to the beach later and do some other shit too. So we'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. Just want to let you guys know. Oh yeah, we're here at the restaurant right now. That's where we're going to here. You can see what the vibe is on about. What do you think?
It's good. It's sweet.
Sweet? I got orange juice for me. Waiting on the food right now, guys. Once the food is here, I'm gonna show you. Both of us are having burritos. Tell me what you think. We're doing the burrito and some potatoes. Nothing crazy. Yeah?
Right.
Yeah. Potato is good. Very good. That food was a bust, guys. It wasn't good at all. It wasn't good at all. We didn't even finish it. You know how we be eating, guys. We be eating crazy, but we just couldn't bring ourselves to finish that food. It wasn't the best. Maybe we just picked the wrong thing on the menu, and I went to go follow Austin and pick the same thing. I would have tried something different, but yeah, wasn't hitting at all. We'll have to make up for it maybe later in the day, but yeah, about to head back home right now, chill for a bit, work for a bit, and then figure out what we're going to get into later. So catch you guys, man. What is going on, guys? Out and about. We came to this beach club, resort style ish. They call it Mia. So about to go in right now, see what is popping, see what is hidden for. After the food that we had, that nasty ass food, hopefully we can get something out here, be by the beach too, see what's going on. But yeah, we out here. When we get settled and seated, let you guys know what's popping. All right, guys, we are out here. We are settled. We got a nice ass seat over here. Check it out. Whole views going crazy. You know what time it is. We out and about here on the beach. I think Austin is somewhere over there. I'm not getting in the water today. I've just been taking walks, observing, and just seeing how it is out here. It's pretty cool, guys. It's pretty cool. The beach club we're at is pretty cool too. You know, so just getting my feet wet, nothing crazy. But I love it so far. It's nice out here, perfect, chill. Everyone's kind of nice too, so can't complain, guys. Can't complain. But yeah, we out here with it. We're gonna be here for we're gonna be here for a minute, and then we're gonna head back home. But yeah, it's nice out at the beach today for sure. Austin, how you feeling?
Feeling wet.
Feeling wet?
Yeah.
Pause. Pause that shit right there, big dog. We out here with it, guys. You know what time it is. Just walking and scoping the scenery for potential business meetings. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. So it turns out there's a run club going on. Everybody's out here. So they're taking pictures. I'm gonna go take some pictures, see what the hype is about. Everyone's hyped up. They're about to run right now. Everyone's going crazy. Crazy vibes out here. Love it. I got the legend Austin out here driving this fucking ATV, bro. It's been crazy. They did the whole run club. We walked for a little bit, talked to some people, did some networking stuff, which was good. So we're gonna head back now. What's up? What's up? You know what time it is, guys. We out here with it. When we get back to the apartment, I'ma holler at you guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You know what time it is. Austin, let's go. Back to Bays, guys. We literally just got back in. It was fun. It was fun. It was fun. It was a nice time out today. Got to interact with a lot of people. Had to see how the run club is out here in Tulum. Everyone literally, they ran a 5K. I'm like, damn, people just wake up and run a 5K on the beach. That's beautiful to see and watch, you know. So it was fun. Spent some good time out. We're probably gonna go find some food much later because we didn't get a chance to eat. We're just in the moment, had some drinks, and we're just chopping it up with all the people that we met at the club or met at the run club or beach club, whatever it's called. But yeah, it was fun out. You guys see, it was fun out. So yeah, I'm gonna tap in with you guys next time we get into something. Your boy's tired right now, but I need to eat something. Probably snack on my chips right now. Low key. If you know me, you know I love me some Cheeto Puffs. That's like my go-to snacks. I got some here. I'm gonna eat now. Munch on this for a little bit. Find something to watch. We'll probably go out much later in the night to get something to eat, like something solid. And I'll see you guys then. So for now, I'm gonna be eating this and find me a movie to watch. And let's get it, guys. I'll see you later. Out and about this evening, we're gonna go get some dinner. We're thinking some Japanese cuisine this evening. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna get me some combination fried rice. It has chicken, shrimp, and beef. And you know, Austin with the bike, about to go crazy. I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, guys, we are out here. Made it to the sushi spot. He got sushi, I got fried rice. I told you guys, I'm not a sushi guy because anything I eat has to be well done. And he told me that it's just fresh fish and the fish is not done, it's not cooked. How do people eat uncooked fish? I can't do that. So we out here with it. Once the food starts rolling in, I'm gonna let you guys know. But yeah, we vibing. Austin, how you feeling? I'm living. You know what time it is, guys. The work doesn't stop. Let's go. Spicy tuna. The spicy tuna was really good. Also have my drink over here. Let me try the drink first. See what the drink is hitting for. Let's see, guys. Ooh, that's a margarita right there. That's good. Austin is forcing me to try this thing that he got. So, there you go. First time trying sushi. Wish me luck, guys.
Fried rice.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's good. It's not bad. You have a spoon?
Sí.
Thank you. My fried rice is here. Fried rice looks gas. Can't wait to dive in. This is gonna be good. I had to get a spoon because I'm not a chopstick guy, guys. I'm not a chopstick guy in any regard. But yeah, this is about to be a good meal. Sipping on my margarita. Margarita is gas. We got some rice over here. Obstacles: chicken, beef, shrimp, fried rice, eggs, the whole nine. Let's go. Let's try the rice, see what the rice is hitting for. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is good. Wow. This is good. Can't complain, guys. This is good. Gas. Gas. There's moving fast. Moving fast, baby. Let's go. Little short action, nothing crazy. We are back to base, guys. Beautiful meal, beautiful meal. Can't even complain. The rice was good, margarita was good. Every little thing that we had was good. So shout out to that restaurant for taking care of us. How you feeling, Austin? You know what time it is. Now it's time to watch a movie. We're gonna watch a movie, eat some Cheeto Puffs as a dessert. You know what I mean? Just bros watching a movie, we'll pick out something. But I'm gonna end out the video here, guys. If if you made it far into this video, today was a very eventful day. Now we're just gonna unwind, chill, watch the movie, and just chill for the rest of the night. It's like almost 10 p.m. right now, so yeah, I'll catch you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we're still here for a couple more days, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated with the daily vlogs that be coming in as things happen out here. So stay tuned. If you made it far into this YouTube video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.